How to fix Snapchat glitch on 2023. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this, scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear that and click OK. Then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do now, go to this option here, picture in picture. You have to allow it and then go and restart your phone, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.